Hello friends, today in this video we will write and learn 10 lines essay on elephant. First line. The elephant is a wild animal. Second line. It is a very big animal. Third line. It has 4 legs. Fourth line. It has 2 large ears. Fifth line. It has a short tail. Sixth line. It has a long trunk. Seventh line. The male elephant has 2 long tusks. Eighth line. It eats leaves, bananas, and sugarcane. Ninth line. It is an intelligent animal. Tenth line. We should treat the elephant kindly. So dear friends, if you like this video, then subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.